Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter here out of Dallas, Texas. And what you're looking at here is my marketing system, the Power Lead System. And first of all, I would like to welcome you to my video and thank you for coming by. This is a program and a marketing system that I use each and every day to promote my primary business. Now, I more or less promote Power Lead System as my primary business because I'm getting paid each and every month from people that has joined up from these very videos that I am creating and making each and every day. With the Power Lead System, as I continue to create my videos and people join up, this is to say that you can market anything with this system. And as far as bringing leads in, you have an autoresponder, pre-written messages that will go out on your behalf. To start sending those messages out, you need leads to send them to. So the Power Lead System provides you with templates that's already created for you. And also with the Power Lead System, you can copy any of those templates and revise them to say what you want them to say. You can even put videos like this one inside of the capture page or template that you use. Let's take a glimpse at some of them that I have created. Of course, first you're going to need a domain, and then on top of that domain, you can create unlimited subdomain. Those subdomains represent the page that you have created or you have copied. Here's one that I created right here, step-by-step marketing. Just to give you a glimpse of a couple of them that I have created. Let's view the page. Okay, review. This is the way the reason it brought me back to this page right here. I didn't click on check the link out to see if the link was working, because I know it's working. I just wanted to come back here to show you how I can edit the background, how I can put a background, how I can edit the text on the web page or the capture page that I created. Click edit text. This is the way you can revise to say whatever you want that capture page to say. This is the background right here that I put in there. This is what it says right here. I can change that whenever I get ready. I can change those words to what I want it to say. And you have your color that you can place on your font here. You can change the background of the font. You can give it another size, and this is where you can put a link inside of this get instant access. You can put a link inside of there to take them to wherever you want them to go. Okay, save my changes, save changes and move to the next step. Okay, I've already created this, and I didn't want to make a change right now, but I'm going to show you the website that I created. View the web page. Go here. And then this is it right here. This is the capture page. Whenever someone put their email address inside of here and join up with the Power Lead System, then I'm making a residual income. That's just one of the capture pages that I made. I'm going to show you another one. Go back to my web pages, and this time I'm going to click on test the link. I'm going to test the link. Let's go down here. Test this one right here, lead lightning page. Test the link. So this is a page that I created. Put a video inside. I copied this page and I put another video inside of there, but this is a video I started out with the page that I created. Let's go back over here. Let's copy. Let's go here, not copy, but test the link on this one. This is another web page that I created. As you can see, I place videos on the inside of this web page. I have several videos on this. This one is a video of me telling people about lead lightning. Lead lightning is the beginning part of the Power Lead system, where you won't have to pay but $7 one-time fee. If you don't want to upgrade to the Power Lead system, you're still getting an autoresponder and a capture page, and I'll show you the capture page in a few minutes. And this is just another page that I created. I'm telling them about the lead lightning part of Power Lead system. Then I tell them about how I'm getting leads, different videos on where I'm getting leads, and also I give them a complete rundown of the Power Lead system. That's what, 5 different videos that I place on this one page to give people more information about what I'm doing. Okay, I'm going to stop right there, but I do want to show you some results that I'm getting. Priceless Possibilities is who will be sending you updates and letting you know how many leads you get in on that day. Today is today is September the 21st. Just to show you what the day is, Monday, September the 25th. 25th. I said the 21st, but it's the 25th. And I'm going back over here to show you my results. These are the Priceless Possibilities. This right here, this lead lightning sign up came in this morning. And I always put a gold star by one that has joined. Congratulations, Martin. You just earned $6 commission from. Anytime someone join up for $6 for lead lightning through your capture page, you're getting paid $6. They pay $7, you get $6. Here's another one, $6 right here. That's a lead lightning sign up. Here's a gold member sign up, a gold member Marlon. A new gold member has arrived. That's September the 10th. Here's another gold member, September the 9th. And here's another gold member, September the 7th. And here's another gold member, September the 4th. All these, when you see a gold member, you're making $20 residual income each and every month. Here's a lead that I got in. Here's a lead lightning that came in on September 1st. Here's another gold member on August the 29th. Another lead lightning, $6 on August the 29th. Here's another gold member on August the 28th. A gold member on August the 23rd. A lead lightning on August the 20th. A lead lightning on August the 15th. A gold member on July the 17th. So you see that it's working, and it can work from you. The results are not typical. You can make what I make, or you can make more or less. It's what you put into it. So once you come over here, even if it's lead lightning, you're going to click the get started button, and it's going to be a button down here say, how do I get started? You're going to click the easy button, and you're going to have 2 websites links that you promote. Referral link A represent lead lightning by itself, $7 join, $6 to you after a person join. Lead lightning, referral link B represent lead lightning and your primary business. Whatever your primary business is, it doesn't matter of what business you're in, you can use this marketing system. Put your primary link right here, click update, and then just start blasting that link all over the place. Wherever you can place that link or advertise it, that's what you do. Your page will look like this for $7. This is your capture page. You have an autoresponder with pre-written messages that will send out to your leads. You are building a list, and then you are growing your business. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. I am your mentor and your sponsor. Click on the link below to get started, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye now.